network for those who are making, creating, and inventing. Those who push forward, look for opportunities, take on challenges, and go the extra mile for quality. Wouldn't it be great to not only support them with our solutions, but to enable their strive for excellence and their success even further? To welcome all the engineers, designers, and technicians on a platform that is all about metrology. To be their go-to for every question about 3D scanning. To teach them, inform them, entertain them, and become their trusted partners. To tell their stories and become part of it. We believe that would be a great way to connect and communicate with new clients and a smart tool for all of us to make business thrive. Hands-on Metrology, the new platform for the makers and shapers. Coming soon.